My name is Nowicka, and I conducted a lesson on biodiversity with students of grade 7 at the primary school of the Education Youth Association in Pleshu. The main aim of the lesson was to help students understand what biodiversity is, why it is important for life on Earth, and how human activities can influence the natural balance of ecosystems. At the beginning of the lesson, students were introduced to the topic through a short discussion. They shared their ideas about different species of plants and animals and reflected on the question, what would happen if some species disappeared? This helped activate their prior knowledge and engage them in the topic. Next, students worked with visual materials and examples of different ecosystems, such as forests, meadows, and aquatic environments. They learned that biodiversity includes not only the variety of species, but also the relationships between them and the environments in which they live. During the main part of the lesson, students participated in group activities. Each group worked on a different aspect of biodiversity, including its importance for humans, threats to ecosystems, and ways to protect nature. They used worksheets and discussed real-life examples, which helped them better understand the topic. Students identified key threats to biodiversity such as pollution, deforestation, climate change, and habitat destruction. They also discussed practical solutions, including protecting natural habitats, reducing waste, supporting pollinators, and making responsible everyday choices. An important part of the lesson was encouraging students to think critically and work collaboratively. Through discussion and teamwork, they developed not only knowledge, but also communication and problem-solving skills. The lesson also included elements of digital learning, such as multimedia materials and interactive tasks, which made the learning process more engaging and effective. The results of the lesson showed that students were actively involved, motivated, and interested in the topic. Most of them were able to explain the concept of biodiversity, identify its importance, and suggest ways to protect it in their daily lives. This lesson confirmed that using interactive methods and real-life examples significantly increases students' understanding and engagement. It also helps build responsible attitudes toward the environment. In conclusion, biodiversity is essential for a healthy planet, and education plays a key role in protecting it. Even small actions can make a big difference, and young people can actively contribute to a more sustainable future.